Minnesota wild turkeys. And the dog just naps. Thanksgiving. Okay, say Thanksgiving really loud.
Thanksgiving!
They're not running.
Well, if you walk out fast, they'll go. Just walk out fast. No, if you walk down towards them, they'll run.
Look at that. They're tame. There's one. Okay, Minnesota wild turkeys.